Welcome. Today, we're exploring a powerful part of algebra called the discriminant. It's a simple expression, b²-4ac, that unlocks a lot of information about quadratic equations. So where does this expression come from? It's found inside the quadratic formula, right under the square root symbol. This special placement is what gives it its power to tell us about the solutions to an equation. The discriminant's main job is to discriminate, which is a fancy way of saying it tells us the number of real solutions an equation has. By just calculating this one value, you can predict the outcome without solving the entire complex formula. When the discriminant, b²-4ac, is greater than 0 or positive, it means there are two different real solutions. On a graph, this looks like a parabola that crosses the x-axis in two distinct places. If the discriminant is exactly 0, then there is only one real solution. This is sometimes called a repeated root. Visually, the parabola just touches the x-axis at a single point, its vertex. When the discriminant is less than 0 or negative, it means there are no real solutions. This is because you can't take the square root of a negative number in the real number system. The parabola, in this case, never crosses or touches the x-axis at all. The solutions are what we call complex numbers. Let's work through an example with the equation 2x² plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Here, a is 2, b is 5, and c is negative 3. We plug these into the discriminant formula, 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 3. This simplifies to 25 plus 24, which equals 49. Since 49 is a positive number, we know there must be two real solutions. Consider the equation 9x² minus 6x plus 1 equals 0. Here, a is 9, b is negative 6, and c is 1. Calculating the discriminant, we get negative 6 squared minus 4 times 9 times 1. This becomes 36 minus 36, which is 0. A discriminant of 0 means there is exactly one real solution. For our last example, let's look at 5x² plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. R is 5, b is 2, and c is 1. The discriminant is 2 squared minus 4 times 5 times 1, which calculates to 4 minus 20. The result is negative 16. Since the discriminant is negative, we can conclude that this equation has no real solutions. To recap, a positive discriminant means two real solutions. A zero discriminant means one real solution. And a negative discriminant means no real solutions. By remembering these three simple rules, you can quickly determine the nature of the roots for any quadratic equation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.